Good day and welcome to Graceful Treats media-free online starter to professional tutorial classes. I believe you're here because you really want to learn the arts and skills of smartphone video editing and graphics designs, and better still, to start using the skill to earn some cash. In this part, one of the classes, I encourage you to please be humbly passionate and set your mind on what you want to achieve as we go through today's section. Thank you.
Welcome to Class 1 of this Starter to Professional tutorial sessions on smartphone video editing. In this Class 1, we'll be looking at how to create trending anime videos, the kind you find mostly on YouTube. For instance, the kind you watch at the beginning of this very class, how to create those kind of videos. And for a quick understanding, I'll be focusing on that particular video. How did I create the video? That is what I'll be using to explain this class, to explain this particular topic. My name is Matthew and I'm going to be your tutor. So let's quickly start the class. In creating the video, the first thing to do is to make sure you have your script, and to make it easy for you, you don't have to use pen on paper. Write it down first, no, because if you do that, when you go to the site, you will have to go and start typing again. First of all, write down, go to your device notepad and then write down what you want the cartoon, what you want your anime to say, and then after that you convert it to an audio. We call it TTS, text to speech. So quickly, let me take you to my notepad. Here I have my own write-up already. Here is my notepad, and here is my file, my folder. So let me copy what I've written. Why are you copying? It is to take it to that site where we'll convert it to an audio, what our anime will be saying. You highlight it and then tap on copy. Then return to your browser. Let me return to my browser. Go to your browser. Let me go to the home page. Okay, let me just open a new tab. Okay, now here is the home page. So what do? Go to the search box, tap on the search box and then search for Creek, that is CIKK, creek.com. So it will bring you to this interface. Now I already made a short video on how to convert your text to speech. I don't want this Class 1 video to become unnecessarily long. So I will not be adding that process to this particular video. So I'll drop the link. You go and watch that one separately and then continue from this point. So let me go back. Now let's assume we have converted our text to audio, what we want our cartoon to say. So you now go back. Let's go back again to the home page of our browser. So the next thing to do is, if you watch that video very well, we have different files available in that video. We have the table, the laptop, the anime herself, her bag, and then there's what we call her mouth that was moving. So we are going to be downloading all those parts. So first of all, what I did was I searched for executive office table. Search for executive office table, and it will bring out various options for you to choose from. Go ahead and make your choice. Let's supposing well, I don't know if I can still find that particular one I use, but let's just assume we want to go for this one here. What do? With your finger, just press it down lightly, and then it will bring out the download option for you. Then tap on download image. By the time you tap on download image, the image will be downloaded immediately. Now it is showing me this because I already downloaded it. I did that before, that's why this option is coming. So tap on download again, and the image will be downloaded immediately. Look at it. Alright, so we've gotten our, now in my own case, just as you can see here, my table came with the chair and the laptop. So the next thing I did was to download the image of the lady, the anime. I'll go ahead again. Let me wipe out the initial write-up. Then search for anime girl character. Anime girl character. In my case, I use a girl. You can decide to use a male. It depends on your choice. Anime girl character. Anime girl character in suit. That was what I searched for. Now it will bring out various options. The same thing you did to download the table. Do that to any of the images that is your choice, and then download it. Then next, you go ahead, download the handbag. Just type in ladies handbag. You find different options, black and whatever. Make your choice and then download it. So after downloading all the files, what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is, there are some of the images that you will need to remove their background before using them in order to make your work look professional. Now in my case, I use the table. The table served as my video background, so I will not be removing the background of the video background, no, but I needed to remove the background of the lady and the background of her handbag. So this is what to do. Let's go to the search box again, and then search for remove.bg. Now it will bring you to this link here, this first link. Go ahead and tap on that link, and then it will take you to the home page of the site. I will not be going into that process still because I made a separate video on that, on how to remove image background. I'll be dropping the link. Watch that one separately. I'm trying to make sure that this very video now will not become unnecessarily long, so that it doesn't get you bored. So go ahead and watch that one to see how to remove the background of the images, the ones that are necessary. So after removing their background, what is the next thing to do? Let's head over to our video editing application. We have our audio now, we have all our files. The next thing is to go to our video editing application. Now here I'll be using Filmora. Somebody will ask, why not CapCut? Yes, CapCut is very popular, but recently, if you've been using it, you will know the current challenge with CapCut. I don't want to go into all that. In fact, I've found that this one is, for me currently, this one is even smoother. Whatever feature you find on CapCut can be gotten here if you know how to navigate the interfaces. If you're able to study all the buttons properly, all the features. So here, of course, this is Filmora application. So what's the next thing to do? Go ahead and tap on new projects. Tap on new. The first thing we'll be doing here is to bring in the background of our video. And of course, my video background is the table, which is an image. So I will tap on photo and then bring in my image. Where is it? Okay, I think this is it here. This is it here. So let me tap on it and then tap on import. Tap on import, and the image will be imported immediately to your video editor, your video editing application. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, so we will increase, tap on it and then increase the length. Tap on it and increase the length. Then next, we'll be bringing in our anime. Now in CapCut, there is a feature we call overlay. Here in this particular application, you will find the feature. Here you find it as PIP. So look at the bottom. Of course, make sure you tap on the background for that option to come out for you. Then go look at the bottom, search for PIP. Where is it? Okay, let me go back. Okay, yes, look at it here. Okay, I think that it was because we highlighted the background initially. That's why it wasn't coming out for us. So look at it here. Look at the PIP option. Look at it here. So go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on, okay, it's already on photo. Let's bring in our anime. Look at it. Remember, the one you are going for is the one whose background you have removed. So let's tap on it. Then tap on this mark button. Tap on the mark button. Okay, we'll be cropping this image from the waist down. I want it removed so that when you position it on the chair, it will look exactly like she's seated. So what do we do? Look at the bottom, make sure it is highlighted. Then look at the bottom. You will find this feature. Oh, sorry. Let me highlight it again. Now you will find this feature. We have crop. Okay, see it here. We have crop. Look at it. Tap on crop and then resize your image. Resize your image. Then tap on this button at the top right. Let's tap on it. Okay, so we have removed the waist region. So let's use our two fingers. With your two fingers, resize it again and then take it to the position of the chair so that she can look like she's sitting down. I think this is just fine. Yes, this is not bad. So tap on the image again and then increase the length. Increase the length. Let's increase the length. Okay. The next thing is bring in her back. Let's go ahead and tap on add. Tap on add. Tap on add. Then bring in her handbag. Remember, the image you go for is the one whose background you have removed. Here is it here. So let's bring in her bag. Then tap on the mark button. So with your fingers, resize the bag and then take it to position. Okay, I think this is okay. Then with the image, I increase the length again. Increase the length. Increase the length. Okay, alright. What our mouth anime is still there, but before that, let's bring in our logo. Go to add again, tap on add, and then tap on the logo image. Tap on the logo image and then tap on the mark button. So with your fingers, resize the image and take it to position. I want it to look like it was customized on the table. Of course, you know you can, with your fingers, you can also rotate the image. Now I think this is okay. Now the next thing is, if you watch that video, you see that the image was looking lazy, a kind of. How did I do that? With the image highlighted, look at the bottom. You will find this button where you have opacity. Opacity. Tap on opacity. Then reduce it from 100. And watch your image. You see it's reducing. Yes. Let me leave it at this point. Then tap on the mark button. Tap on the mark button. Then increase the length of the image again. Increase the length of the image. Alright. So the next thing is okay, our audio is still there, but before that, let's bring in the mouth. Let's bring in the mouth. Go back and then tap on add. Tap on add. Now our mouth anime is a video. Tap on video. Then tap on the mouth anime. Look at it here. We have it here. Tap on it. Tap on the mark button. Okay, so we will have to remove this green background. And how do we do that? With the video highlighted, look at the bottom. You find this button where you have smart cutout. Tap on the smart cutout. Look at it here. Tap on smart cutout and then tap on chroma key. chroma key. So you see this circle, place your finger, and I think most preferably your index finger, place it inside the circle and then shift it to any direction, just a bit, any direction. You'll notice it will change immediately to green. Make sure it changes to green. Then at the bottom left, look at the option where you have strength. Increase that strength level. Increase the strength level to 100, which means you are removing the green color entirely. Then increase the shadow level a bit. Then tap on the mark button. Tap on the mark button. So the green color is gone. Now we are left with just the mouth animal. What do you do with your fingers? Just resize it and then move it to where the mouth of the image is, the lady. This part can be very tricky, so you must be careful so that you can get the best position possible. Okay, well, this may not be the best, but that's what you do. Take it to position, and then the next thing we'll be doing is okay, scroll to the end of the video. Let me show you something now. Okay, yes, our audio, what we want the cartoon to say, we need to bring that in. So let's go back, tap on add, no, not add, let's cancel, go back, tap on audio, and then tap on music, then tap on import, tap on import, then tap on files. Now me, I already imported my file, so look at it showing here. But for you who is yet to, you go ahead and tap on import local files. Tap on import local files, then scroll up and tap on download. Tap on download, then choose your file. Here is the file. Tap on the box and then tap on scan, then tap on OK. So your file will be brought to this interface. Then go ahead and tap on the plus button. Tap on this plus button here, and immediately the file will be added to the video editing application. Now scroll to the end of the video. Sorry, let me see. Let me go back. Now scroll to the end of the video. I want to show you something. Okay, now you can see that this mouth animal here is having a white part that is showing. It was a green background we removed. We didn't remove the white part. Now if we leave it like this, it will affect the video later on. It will show a certain level, at certain points in the video, and it will be making your work look unprofessional. So what do? We need to remove that white part. So in doing that, bring this your border line, this vertical line here. this your vertical line, this border line. Bring it to this point and then tap on the green screen mount animal. Tap on it and then tap on the split button. Here is a split button. After that, you tap on the delete button. So let's tap on the split button. Now we have splitted the video into two parts. Tap on the right part where the mouth, where the white is. Then tap on the delete. Now it has gone. So, but you notice that the video has become shorter than the other files. Now, since it is not an image but a video, we cannot just use our finger to increase the length like we did to the images. So what do we do so that it can measure up in length to the others? Now we are going to duplicate it, and in duplicating it, you tap on it. After tapping on it, you tap on this plus button. Tap on this plus button here. Now it has been duplicated. So we'll move the second part now to merge with the first, so that they can be at the same horizontal level. And for us to be able to move it, make sure it is not highlighted. So when it is not highlighted, you press it down lightly and then use your fingers. Use your finger to move it. Move it with your finger. Move it with your finger. And then do it for it to merge with the first. Yes, they've merged together. They've joined together. So we've gotten what we want. Now look here. You notice that all the other files are longer than the audio file. So we will bring our borderline. Take your borderline to a point where it is a little after the audio. Now here is our audio file. The audio, what the cartoon will be saying. That one we added. Look at it. Here is it. So bring your borderline to a position where it is a little longer than the audio file. Then you will split all the other files so that all of them can be at the same end level. So what do we do? Let's start with the one at the bottom. You will tap on it, then tap on the split button, and then remove the right part. Delete. Tap on this one. Split, then delete. Tap on this, split, delete. Tap on this, split, then delete. Tap on this, split, then delete. So did you see that we have been able to bring all the files to the same points, the same end level. So let's go to the beginning of our video and then play the video to preview what we have done so far. Here is the play button. Tap on the play button.
Good day and welcome to Graceful Treats Media Free.
Yes. There's something else we need to do. Now, if you listen to what I just played, you notice it sounds like there is an extra audio playing in the background. There's an additional audio play. Now that's coming from the green screen mount animal. It has an audio. So what are we going to do? We're going to mute it. And in doing that, tap on the green screen. Then go to the volume button. Here is the volume button. Here is the volume button. Tap on volume. Then tap on mute. Tap on mute. Then tap on the mark button. Yes, it has been muted. Now let's play it again and see.
Good day and welcome to Graceful Treats Media Free Online Starter to Professional Tutorial Classes. I believe you're here because you really want to learn the arts and skills of smartphone video editing and graphics designs, and better still, to start using the skill to earn some cash. In this part, one of the classes, I encourage you to please be humbly passionate and set your mind on.
This is coming up again. Okay. The second part that I duplicated, that one also has to be muted. So let's tap on it. Go to volume and then tap on mute. Yes, it has been muted. Let's play it again and see.
Using the skill to earn some cash. In this part, one of the classes, I encourage you to please be humbly passionate and set your mind on what you want to achieve as we go through today's section. Thank you.
Yes, this is just sweet. Yes, so our video is ready. Now what next? You will have to download this video into your device, into your mobile phone. So let's head over to export. Look at the top right corner here. You have the option of export. Tap on export. Usually for me, I go for 720 because I don't want my files becoming too large in size to consume my storage. So tap on 720, and of course the quality is still just fine. Tap on 720 and then tap on the export button, and your video will start exporting immediately. So you can see that creating anime videos is really quite easy if you know what to do, and very interesting also. With this understanding, of course, you can bring in your own concepts, bring in your own ideas to create something more stunning, more beautiful even than what we have done here. So let's wait for our video to finish downloading. Like I said, I'm going to do my best to bring myself all out the best way I can to make sure that you learn something. In the next class, we'll be looking at how to create a conversational video. That is two cartoons conversing, discussing with each other. That's what we'll be looking at in the second class. Okay, we're almost there. Alright, our video has finished exporting. If you go to your file now or your gallery, you will find the video there. Let's go there and check. Let me look at my gallery. Okay, here is my video. Here is my video. Let me play it and see what it will look like.
Good day and welcome to Graceful Treats Media-Free Online Starter to Professional Tutorial Classes. I believe you're here because you really want to learn
So that is just so sweet. So like I said, in the next class we'll be looking at how to create conversational animes or cartoons. Ensure you watch that class. Thank you for being part of this, and see you in the next class.